Welcome to Grandad Reviews. We're just looking at iron face detect and if any changes in the mode or AFC custom settings make any difference. We'll have a look. So just have a quick look at the settings I've got on at the moment and then we'll go through a few tests. So in the main menu, both movie AF mode at the moment I've got on area. Custom settings, we've got tracking 0, AF speed 0. So what we'll do is a quick look at how it detects the face and the eye and see what we get, and then change the settings. So I'm about 6 foot away, looking straight at the camera, straight in that center focusing box, and it's got me. If I walk back, I'm now about 12 foot away, still got me. And now I'm about 18 foot away, 20 foot away. And straight forward, just using that main box. Go to the side, lost me, come back in, let's change the settings. AF mode, we'll just change it to multi. So we're leaving the custom settings exactly the same, we're just going to multi. And it's got me. I'm going out to about 20 foot on the 55mm. Back into about 12. So we're filling a frame. Right, let's change some more settings. Let's put the tracking sensitivity all the way up. We'll put the AF speed all the way up. See what we get there. That really slows it down. Didn't. There's not one again. Let's change those back. I think our best settings are this one down at 0. Let's leave the speed at 5. See what it's like. Let's have a look. I know this light is a bit harsh. It's struggling to get me. And to follow. Let's change the AF speed again. Let's knock that down to -5. Yep. It's got me. Tried in a bit of different light. Custom settings are -5 on the AF speed, 0 on the tracking. Let's just try it in a different lighting situation. As we can see, lighting conditions make a huge difference. I'm now about 12 foot away. We'll just change the AF speed. Let's play up to +5. See what difference that makes. So that's on AF speed 5. So we'll change that. That was on area, so we'll change this to multi. Leave the other settings the same. Let's slow it right now. Sensitivity is on 4, AF speed is on 5. Now we'll try those same settings on area. We'll do this to area, so our custom settings stay the same, +4, +5. See what we get. So now we're in area. Well, that's a quick test. From what I can see on the screen, I would say area seems the quickest, but I'll actually turn the settings so you're on +4 on tracking and 0 on speed. Seems. Yes, I'll just check that again. Let's try that again. I don't know if it's me or is actually better. We'll get them on the computer and see. Well, I've had a look at all the footage on the computer now, and it's difficult to say, but I do think there is a difference if you change the tracking and AF speed in camera. It does seem to affect the eye detect. The biggest effect I saw it on it really is lighting. When we had the harsh lighting, the eye and face detect really struggled. When we had a more even lighting, it really did help it out. But looking at it, I would say area with AF speed up to 5 and the tracking down to 0 seems to be slightly better than the other settings, but it is worth experimenting yourself, trying different settings and just see if it does make a difference. It may just be down to the algorithms on the camera itself, and that's just giving us spurious errors, but it's worth a try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when more videos come out, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.